Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of audio with a product that's been making waves, the Beats Powerbeats Pro Wireless Earbuds. Now, you might be thinking, what sets these earbuds apart from the rest? Well, let me tell you, folks, these are not your average earbuds. They're more than just a way to listen to your favorite tunes, they're a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're hitting the gym, commuting to work, or just chilling at home, the Powerbeats Pro have got you covered. With their totally wireless design and adjustable, secure-fit ear hooks, these earbuds stay put no matter what you're doing. And let's talk about durability. These babies are built to withstand even the toughest workouts, thanks to their reinforced design and sweat and water resistance. So go ahead, break a sweat without worrying about damaging your earbuds. But what about sound quality, you ask? Well, prepare to be blown away. The Powerbeats Pro deliver powerful, balanced sound with dynamic range and noise isolation. So whether you're pumping iron at the gym or relaxing with some soothing tunes, you'll experience crystal clear audio like never before. But wait, there's more. These earbuds also feature volume and track controls on each bud, voice capability, and autoplay pause functionality. Plus, with up to 9 hours of listening time, you can enjoy your music all day long without missing a beat. So, what's the verdict? In my opinion, the Beats Powerbeats Pro Wireless Earbuds are hands down the best wireless earbuds on the market. From their comfortable fit to their impressive sound quality and long battery life, they're a game changer for anyone who loves music on the go. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy listening.